difference between this and this? For most people, there really isn't much of a difference at all. The stock market's been around for centuries. The majority of people believe that stock market trading is not gambling, while others, such as myself, argue that there is a very thin line between gambling and investing. In this video, I'll show you why the stock market ended up in the Gamblers Anonymous pamphlet as an official form of gambling. First, let's define what gambling is. According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, gambling is the activity or practice of playing at a game of chance for money or other stakes. So how does this definition apply to the stock market? Well, when you invest in the stock market, you're essentially betting on the future performance of a company. You're putting your money into a stock with the hope that it will increase in value. However, there are no guarantees in the stock market, and the value of a stock can go up or down depending on a variety of factors, including but not limited to economic conditions, market trends, and company performance. In this sense, stock market trading does have an element of chance to it. You're essentially taking a risk by putting your money in a particular stock, and there's no guarantee that your investment will ever pay off. This is really similar to gambling, in my opinion, where you're betting on the outcome of a game or an event with the hope of winning money. Before I give another similarity between the stock market and gambling, I just wanted to pause real quick and throw in a quick thank you to the community. We've officially reached 100 subscribers. I couldn't do this without you guys, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button to join the movement. Alright, back to the content. So another similarity between stock market trading and gambling is the use of emotions. When you invest in the stock market, you may experience a range of emotions. This includes excitement, fear, and definitely greed. These emotions can influence your decision making and cause you to make irrational choices, which can lead to losses. Similarly, when you gamble, emotions play a huge role in your decision making, unfortunately, and you make impulsive bets based on your current mood, or thoughts such as, I have to win that back right away, rather than using logic in the situation. The main reason I believe that stock market trading is gambling is that stock market trading can be addictive. Some people become obsessed with the stock market and spend hours every single day researching the trends, analyzing stocks, and making trades. I know because I was one of those people, as I joined the retail investor wave of wallstreetbets in 2018. I made and lost many risky trades on short-term stock options and short-term stock holds. People become so fixated on the possibility of making a profit that they neglect other important aspects of their lives, such as their relationships, their health, and their career, the same way that you would see in a problem gambler. However, some people truly do argue that the stock market is trading and not gambling. They argue that stock market is a place where companies raise capital to grow and expand, and that investors are rewarded for taking on risk. They say stock market trading is based on sound economic principles, such as supply and demand, and that's not a game of chance. It's true that stock market trading requires knowledge, skill, and experience. Successful traders are those who are able to analyze data, identify trends, and make informed decisions based on their research. However, this requires a really deep understanding of the market, and also a deep understanding of the economy and the companies whose stock you're trading, which is something that the general public likely just doesn't have. The idea that we're being sold that we need to invest is a really dangerous one, because while it is nice to have the ability to increase your savings over time through something like a mutual fund, the accessibility of stock trading apps has led people to take on more agency over their savings, and has led to people trying to pick individual stocks and options. As we know, an inexperienced trader can get approved for very complex financial options in today's day and age, and can very easily set their savings on fire as a result of their lack of understanding. Just like gambling, there's some people who can trade stocks and options in moderation, and also quite successfully. It's just simply too easy to get impatient and make an incorrect decision that could lead you spiraling into making too many trades and eventually losing your money, even if you are experienced in stock trading. It could be nice to see a big increase in the value of your investments, but for many it seems to have the same effect as hitting a jackpot in the casino. On page 14 of the Gamblers Anonymous pamphlet, it says that Gamblers Anonymous members have found that the first bet is the one to avoid. This includes internet gambling, bingo, the stock market, commodities, options, buying or playing lottery tickets, raffle tickets, and so on. So if you're trading stocks, always stay in control. And if you feel you're ever losing control, reach out and get help. In the meantime, check out one of these other videos I've made on the topics of gambling addiction and self-improvement. And as always, let's keep getting better together, one day at a time.